Today, I'll give my 6-month review of the OXO pour-over coffee maker. Is it single-serve perfection or not worth the spend? I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a review or recipe. Let's get into it. Pour-over coffee is all the rage right now. People love it as a brewing method because it emphasizes control and flavor clarity, offering a way to extract the most from a small batch or single serving. There is no electrical element. It involves manually pouring hot water over the coffee grounds, allowing for precise adjustments to brewing variables like temperature and flow rate. Simply put, it is supposed to make an incredible cup of coffee. So I had to try this out for myself. I looked into several different options and landed on the OXO pour-over coffee maker. OXO is a brand I've grown to trust over the years, and I thought the reviews looked great, so I bought it. One funny thing though, I have been calling it OXO for years now, and when I went to make this video, I looked up how the brand pronounces it, and they said OXO. Have you been pronouncing it OXO like me, or did you know that it was OXO? I don't know, it kind of cracked me up. Anyway, let's get into some of the specifications that are unique to this brewer. It has an auto drip tank that controls the water flow for a well-balanced brew. It has a lid that retains heat while brewing and also doubles as a drip tray. The unit comes with a brewing chart that gives precise measurements of coffee to water ratios for a standard optimal brew. This was the only single-serve pour-over coffee maker I found that offered these unique features. The auto drip tank also shows precise measurement markings. You can fill the water tank up to a maximum of 12 ounces or 360 milliliters. It also comes with 10 OXO brand unbleached all-natural No. 2 cone coffee filters. The entire unit is BPA free, has a high heat resistance, is dishwasher safe, food safe, durable, and shatter and stain resistant. You can see the holes in the water tank and the hole on the bottom where the coffee comes out. Okay, let's see it in action. So we'll fire up our tea kettle and fill up our coffee maker. Start by picking out the right-sized mug. It's best if the rim of the mug has a diameter between 2 1/8 and 3 3/4 inches so that the OXO fits neatly on top. It has a large ridge where the rim of most standard coffee mugs will fit. I got these beautiful 16-ounce borosilicate double-walled insulated mugs that fit perfectly beneath the OXO. They have high thermal stability and are also super lightweight, which I love. Most of all, they're really things of beauty. So set your OXO on top of the mug. It sits securely on top, even with a little bit of movement. So first I will put in my coffee filter. I like a large cup of coffee, so I will make the largest size available, which is 12 ounces. Let's use the measurement chart that they've provided. So they recommend using 4 tablespoons per 12 ounces of water. So we'll measure out 4 tablespoons of ground coffee. I like to push it down a little bit so it doesn't get too high while we're brewing. Then we place the water tank on top. Once the water is ready, we pour boiling water into the water tank, up to the 12-ounce fill line. Then cover and allow the unit to work its magic. You can see the water leaving the tank and the coffee going into the mug, both with beautiful precision. The brew only takes about a minute. Once it's done, remove the lid and place the entire unit on top of the lid. Then you can easily dispose of your coffee grounds and filter without any mess. If you want to make another cup immediately, just rinse out each of the containers, dry them by hand, and repeat the process for as many more cups of coffee as you'd like. I do recommend fully washing and drying each component of the coffee maker after you've had your last cup of the day to keep your coffee maker in tip-top shape. You can do this either by hand or in the dishwasher. So let's try this coffee. Oh man. that's delicious. So what is my verdict on the OXO pour-over coffee maker? Is it really worth it? The answer for me is a resounding yes. I have owned this unit for over 6 months now, and I've been making coffee with it every day. It makes consistently delicious brews, very flavorful, truly incredible, next level coffee. Additionally, it has held up beautifully over the past 6 months, looking just as good today as the day I bought it. It would also be ideal for any situation where you had a fire source to heat your water but no electricity, such as when you are camping. During our heavy winters where I am, we have lost power from time to time, and this unit has come in quite handy for us this past winter. Additionally, there is an aesthetic component for me. The unit is very visually pleasing. It is sleek and compact. Making coffee is definitely a daily ritual, but with this unit, it's almost become a meditative process for me. There's something about waiting for the kettle to boil and watching the brew that feels very peaceful first thing in the morning. Observing the brew flowing into this beautiful mug is a tranquil, reflective, and captivating experience. It's a wonderful way to start the day. The unit is also very easy to clean and easy to use. So what can I say? I am now a fan of pour-over brewing and the OXO pour-over coffee maker. For me, this unit is absolutely a keeper. This OXO pour-over coffee maker, as well as all the other products seen in this video, are linked below in the description in case you want to explore them. For more kitchen reviews, how-tos, and recipes, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.